Fantastic. So if I say lean in real hard, you know what that means? Just kind of lean in towards the center, all right? Let's go forward just a little bit. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Woo!
Go ahead and lean in.
Whee!
Lean in.
We're still leaning.
Oh, yeah!
Once we get to the bottom now, we're going to cut into this side of the river and we're going to surf this wave like a surfboard.
Awesome.
That's gonna happen, you have to paddle really hard. So you guys see that wave in between us and the shore?
Yeah.
So once we get to the bottom of this island, we're going to paddle upstream into the other side of the river and we're going to try and surf this like a surfboard, alright?
Alright.
But you have to paddle super hard.
Okay, we got this.
Yeah, guys.
Alright, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Alright, start paddling forward. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Woo!
Keep going. Beautiful work, team. Beautiful.
Woo!
Excellent job.
We just went raft surfing.
Hey, we surfing in Alaska.
Woo! Whoa! All right, here we go. Woo!
Inside this one, my body actually almost 100 degrees. You wear them all day and then nighttime you go around.
Yeah.
It's in the front party in the back. Exactly. 2.0.
Oh man! What's up, guys? Woo!
Go ahead and go forward. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Good job. We're out of the way, man. Keep going. Keep going. Beautiful. That was a good hit.
That was a good hit.
Oh yeah!
So that's going to be our smallest rapid of the day. So this next one's pretty sweet.
Yeah.
So there's a number of giant waves we're going to go through. If we catch any of those when they break, it's going to be a huge stomp, all right?
Okay.
So we'll just see. It's either going to be like sweet or it's going to be super sweet.
Okay.
I love those options.
Yeah.
So this is a pretty big rapid we're about to do.
Okay.
Man, so
Here we go.
Paddle forward. There you
Woo!
Keep going, keep going. Keep going, good job. Keep going. Alright, so the waves are going to start getting really big.
Woo!
Excellent, keep going forward, keep going forward. Keep going, team, keep going. Beautiful work. Excellent. Looking forward. Good job, team. Hold up a second. You guys want to try a
Nice.
trick shot?
yes.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. So here in just a second, let's say like jump in the floor, okay?
Wait, what? What?
Jump in the floor?
Yeah.
Oh,
Go ahead,
okay.
jump in the floor. Jump in the floor. Alright, hop up.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's so pretty.
You guys look straight in front of you. There's a lynx nest.
Wait, what?
Oh, nerd.
That-
It is.